Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to learn new lesson, that is lesson number 11, areas related to circle. So first of all we will draw one circle, a center, the radius, this is O, this is S, a point T and point U. So this shaded area is called as minor sector. Shaded area is what? Minor sector. The remaining area of the circle is known as major sector. Area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector. So this total area major sector is area of circle minus area of minor sector. So how to calculate the area of a minor sector? We will use a unitary method. Use unitary method. That is area and angle. So for 360 degree, for area, complete area pi r square, angle is 360 degree. So for a small area x or a, call it a, theta. I am giving this angle as a theta. This angle as a theta. So area is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is goes here, this come down and a goes up. Okay, and more easily we can just flip it. A is equal to theta and pi r square is equal to 360. So you just take it up. This is area, this is angle. So with the help of unitary method we can find out the area of a minor sector. So this is A is area of minor sector. So what is the formula for minor sector, area of minor sector? A is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, that we have derived from the unitary method. This is the easiest one. A for a minor sector, angle is theta. So complete circle, area of complete circle is 360. So we have just taken it up, theta into pi r square divided by 360. So this is the formula for minor sector. Area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector. So this is pi r square and this is theta by 360 into pi r square. So we can, area of circle is pi r square and this is area of minor sector, that is minus theta by 360 into pi r square. So this is the area of major sector. So it is easy. Thank you.